Camera black screen problem on Instagram. Hello guys, so in this new short video I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem easily and fast. First thing, open the settings on your phone, go to the apps manager, open the apps and then go to the Instagram. Now all what you wanna do here is click on this force stop option to stop the app from running, and then go to the notifications management, disable the notifications and enable them back. Go back, click on the permissions, and now you have to make sure that all the permissions right here are enabled. Go back again and click on the data usage and make sure to disable all those options and enable them back again. Now you have to do one last thing, which is go to the storage or the internal storage, click on clear data, clear cache. That's it. Now you have to restart your phone, reopen Instagram. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching this video until the end.